Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. I would like to welcome my colleague, His Excellency the Foreign Minister of Pakistan, on his first visit to the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, accompanying His Excellency the Prime Minister. The Kingdom of Saudi Arabia and Pakistan have a historic and strategic relationship that goes back to the founding of the State of Pakistan. The two countries have policies that are closely aligned with regards to regional issues and with regards to combating extremism and terrorism. There is the discussions that were held today and yesterday between the Prime Minister and His Royal Highness the Crown Prince last night, and between the Prime Minister and various ministers today, and between the Prime Minister and the custodian of the two holy mosques over lunch, as well as following the lunch, were wide-ranging, very productive, very constructive, emphasized the strategic nature of our bilateral relationship, and emphasized the genuine desire and commitment by the leadership of both countries to broaden and strengthen this relationship in all areas, whether it's trade and investment, education, energy, whether it's security, whether it's in the military field. A visit also provided an opportunity to exchange views on the challenges facing the region, whether the situation in Palestine, the situation in Yemen and Afghanistan, Iran, and ways for the two countries to work together to overcome those challenges. We look forward to enhancing the relationship and institutionalizing it in all sectors, and in making sure that we stay very closely coordinated and stay in close touch with each other, so that we can substantially enhance trade and investment between the two countries, enhance the people-to-people contacts between the two countries, and enhance the political contacts between the two countries. Your Excellency, welcome to Saudi Arabia, your second home. I look forward to many, many more productive meetings with you. Thank you.
Inshallah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'd like to thank Excellency, the Foreign Minister of Saudi Arabia, for the warmth, the reception given to us. We had a good meeting. We discussed a host of things. To begin with, how important this bilateral relationship is, how strategic it has been, and how the two countries continue to give priority to this bilateral relationship. We've agreed to meet in New York as well to continue the discussions that we've had here in Jeddah. Inshallah, we feel that we have two very strong tracks of cooperation, the economic track and the political and security track. The leadership also discussed constitution of a coordination council, where ministers continue to meet to discuss issues of mutual interest. We also had the opportunity of discussing the regional situation, the situation in Afghanistan. I shared with Excellency the Foreign Minister how our relations with the US are developing, how Saudi Arabia can contribute in helping achieve stability in the region, peace and stability, which is a priority for us and them. We've also agreed that next month, in October, there will be a follow-up, not just in New York. There will be ministers coming to Pakistan, to Islamabad, to take the discussions forward on how we promote our economic relations, how we encourage investments, how we improved our bilateral trade. I also shared with His Excellency the Foreign Minister some of the issues of how we can improve our people-to-people contact through a reduction in visa fee, and how Pakistan can contribute further in the economic development and in the service sector of Saudi Arabia by giving preference to Pakistani manpower in Saudi Arabia. Thank you, Excellency, for a very good meeting.
Thank you. Good to see you. Thank you.